Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thanks for coming to this YouTube channel to learn another line dance. This is a dance called Storm and Stone. It's choreographed by Madison Glover. It is a song called Run, and the band is Storm and Stone. And this is 32 counts, 4 walls, kind of, which will make sense in a minute, improver level. This is a phrase dance, but super easy phrasing. There's a part A, there's part B. Part A is 16 counts, part B is 16 counts. Part A is always done at 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock, because you do it twice in a row. Part B is always at 6 and 9, because you do it twice in a row. That will all make sense once you learn the choreo. So we'll start with part A, follow along. All right, so first thing we do, we're gonna take our right foot, we're gonna take the toe. Toe, heel out, step it over. Take your left foot into a coaster step, but finishing the coaster with a cross. Back, together, over. To the corner, so you're stepping to 130, you're gonna walk your right foot, walk your left foot, and at the same corner, you're gonna give me a mambo on the right foot. Forward, rock, and step slightly back. Let's talk about that with some counts. Toe heel goes 1 and cross 2. Coaster cross 3 and 4. 2 walks to the corner. 5, 6, mambo 7 and 8. Second count of 8, you're going to stay on this diagonal and step back on your left foot. 1. You're going to square off to your next wall, 3 o'clock. 2, left foot over for a crossing shuffle or crossing triple, left foot in front, over and over. Okay, and that, so you're still weighted on your left foot. I'm going to move off a little bit here, just to make sure I don't go off camera. And then we're going to do a rumba box, step to the side, right foot, right foot, to the left foot, right foot, left foot. So the box goes side, together, back, side, together, front. That 8 count with counts, you will have just finished your walk, walk, mambo step. Your left foot will go back on 1 quarter over 2, cross it, 3 and 4, rumba box, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Put my back so you can see what that rumba box looks like. It just goes bump, 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 bump. And those are all weight changes, okay? That's part A, so let's do that a couple times. When you start part A, as I said, you start it here, and then you do it again, so you'll start it here. So that's what we'll do. We'll do it twice. Right foot's gonna lead, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, cross, coaster, 3, cross it, 4, walking, 5, 6, mambo, 7 and 8, step, back, over 2, cross it, 3 and 4, rumba box, 5 and 6, 7, start again, toe, heel, cross, coaster with the cross, walk to the corner, mambo out, step to 6 o'clock, over, triple, bump, 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 side together, back, side together, front. That is part A, okay? And it's done just like that. You do it twice, bump up. So when you start part B, you're gonna be at 6 o'clock. Now I'm gonna turn so that you can see it, okay? And then we'll make sure that you get it at the right wall. So the next thing you're gonna do, you've just finished your rumba box on your left foot. We're gonna start like you're doing a Charleston. You're gonna go toe, step, another coaster step, but not with a cross. Back, together, forward. Step your right foot forward, right, do a half a pivot, left, do forward on your right, quarter turn left, cross it over. I'm going to do that with counts at this wall, but then I want to get you at the right wall, okay? So we're going to take it toe forward, toe, heel, coaster, 3 and 4, forward 5, forward 6, 7 and 8, yeah? And one of the things that you can do with that Charleston, which feels really good when you're doing it with the music, it's an option, that instead of just going toe, step, you can sweep it. You can go sweep, sweep, coaster, step. So I'm going to turn to 6 o'clock, okay? Here we go. Right foot forward, 7, 8, you have toe, step, 3 and 4. Forward 5, turn 6, 7, and cross. You should be at 9 o'clock. The second count of 8 of part B, side rock to your left. Left, shift to the right. You're going to weave back, side, front with your left foot. Back, side, front. And you're going to step into little heel jack. Step, heel, left heel, step, cross, step, heel, step together and forward, right, left. So what that looks like here, just so you can see it, it goes and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Again, that part. And 5, and 6, and 7 together forward. So from here, you're stepping out on your left foot with a side shift. 1, 2, weave it. 3, and 4, and 5. Cross 6, and 7, and 8. You're at 9 o'clock. You start B again. 1, 2, coaster 3, and 4. Half, turn, forward quarter, cross. Side, rock. Weave the step and heel, step, cross and heel, step, front. When you get to 12 o'clock, you go back to A. Okay? Let's do part B. We'll do it 2 times, but we're going to start at 6 o'clock so we're at the right waltz. Okay? So remember, the first thing you're going to do is your first part of the Charleston and sweeping the foot if you'd like. 6, 7, 8, go. Toe, step, coaster, back and front. Half turn. 5, 6, 7, quarter, cross, side rock. 1, 2, weave. 3 and 4 and heel and cross and heel. Start again. You go toe, step, 3 and 4, forward 5, 6, forward quarter, cross, rock, recover, weave, and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The dance starts with 1 and 2. Okay, so we're going to try this all together. No music yet. We'll take it from here. So you do part A 2 times, part B 2 times. And that'll get us all the way around. Ready? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. A 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, corner walk, mambo, 7 and 8, step back, side, triple 3, rumba. 5 and 6, start it again, toe. 1 and 2, coaster cross and 4, corner walk. 6, mambo, 7 and 8, step back, side, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, new part Charleston, B, 2, coaster, step, half, turn, forward quarter cross, side, 1, 2, weave, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, start again. You go 1, 2, 3 and 4, half, 5, 6, 7 and 8, go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You start 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And that starts again. Yeah? So, there aren't any tags or restarts. You just have to remember the phrasing is really simple. You get around 3 full times of going A, A, B, B. You do it again, A, A, B, B, A, A, B, B. At the very last one, you only get through A and you only get through 16 counts. So what you'll get to is, you'll be starting it out. So you'll be here, you'll have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then you're going to take it forward, right? 5, 6, 7 and 8. Finishing this out, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now watch, 5 and 6, 7 and instead of stepping forward, just to have a clean finish, you turn it back to 12 o'clock at the very end. If you can remember that. Right now you're just trying to remember the pattern, but that gives you a clean ending, finishing at 12 o'clock at the end. Okay? So, let's give this a shot, and you can rewind and rewind as much as you need. And yeah, again, this is called, the song is Run, but the band is Storm and Stone. The name of the dance is Storm and Stone. Here we go. Part A. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Toe heel. walk it back. Triple, rumba box. Part A again. Toe heel cross, coaster cross. Corner, mambo. Back it up, take it over. Here we go, part B. Here's your Charleston. Turn it. Rock it out. Heel jack. Again, go sweep it out. Side rock into your weave. We go part A. Toe, heel cross, coaster cross. Corner. Back it up inside. Rumba. Go again. Rumba box. Here we go. Part B. Rock it out to your weave. Into your heel jacks. Here we go again. Sweep it out. Coaster. Turn it. Side out. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1. Rumba. Let's repeat that. Get ready for part B, yeah? Here we go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Go again. You go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pivot up. Start the end here. There you go. Let me turn this off. So you saw how at the very end I went ahead and turned that last count right at the end of the rumba, give it that clean ending. Anyway, this is Storm and Stone. I hope that you like it. I always appreciate you tuning into my line dance channel. Please share the word, subscribe if you have not. Feel free to leave comments. I love that. I promise to get back to you on them. And if you're ever in the Los Angeles area, I teach at the BL Saloon, otherwise known as Borderline. That's out in Agoura Hills. I hope to see you on the dance floor. Thanks so much.